Let's see this question. Which of the following statements regarding mitochondria is incorrect? ठीक है. First option, outer membrane is permeable to monomers of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. बिल्कुल ठीक है. अगर हम दोनों membrane को compare करें, outer membrane और inner membrane of mitochondria को, तो outer membrane is comparatively more permeable than inner membrane. This is true. Enzymes of electron transport are embedded in outer membrane. This is not true. This is incorrect. Because enzymes of electron transport are embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Inner membrane is convoluted with enfoldings, yes, which is called cristae. Last option, mitochondrial matrix contains single circular molecule and ribosomes, जो कि बिल्कुल ठीक है. 78 ribosomes पाए जाते हैं इसमें. So this is also true. Incorrect पूछा है, तो the correct answer for this question is option B.